Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be making some delicious ice cream. I've just got some plain ice cream over here and also some Oreo ice cream. Stay tuned for more.
I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop. I won't stop, no, 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 no. I won't stop, I won't stop.
Now get your cream in a bowl and whisk. Now I whisked for about 8 to 10 minutes in total. Now I'm using 600 mils of fresh cream, but you don't have to use that much because this will make a lot. I managed to fill 2 500 grams tubs with the mixture. So if depending on how much you want, adjust the ingredients. Now this is the consistency that you want the cream. Go ahead and add your condensed milk. I've got a video on condensed milk. I will list it right here. Add your vanilla extract, and I also added some rose water and almond concentrate. This is totally optional. Once you've done this, just put your mixture into a tub, put some cling film on top of it, cover it, and just pop that in your freezer, ideally overnight or at least 8 hours. Now for me personally, this is the flavoring that I like to use for any base that I'm doing. So for my next thing that I'm gonna do for the Oreo is just literally get a packet of Oreos and just crush it. Now once you've crushed it, just add it to your mixture and repeat the process. Add it to your mixture, give it a good mix, and put that in your tub. Store your ice cream in your freezer overnight or at least 8 hours. Now after that time, your ice cream will be ready. Look at that, guys. Oh boy, this was so delicious, like wow. If you're still here with me, leave me an ice cream emoji. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you already haven't done so, and make sure you turn on your notification bell so you know when your girl upload a video. And there you have it, guys, my delicious homemade ice cream. Thank you once again, and don't forget to aim high, work hard but smart, because the sky's the limit, but only you can limit yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye.